how are we? So, right now I want to pick out what I'm going to wear. It's going to be like a top, it's like going to be a top. You know when you wear a top, then you wear this like cardigan kind of, and then you wear a skirt, but then instead of it to be a top and a cardigan, it's like together kind of. So you're going to see how it looks like. It's green and grey, I think, with a black skirt, hopefully. But then that's what I just feel like wearing. I don't feel like wearing jeans because if you're on my channel, you look like wearing jeans or joggers is like my getting serious wear of outfit. But that's not what it is today because the weather is so hot. So I'm going to pick something else like a skirt to wear. So that's basically it.
So actually, guys, I didn't want to like go to my friend's house. I actually wanted today to be a study day, but I received a call from my friend that she wanted to like if I was coming because I told her before that I was going to come, but then she said she was going to talk to her dad about it, but then she didn't get back to me on that matter. So she called me on that day and asked me if I was going to come, and I was like no, and then I went to go and ask my mom, like I went to go and tell my mom. My mom now asked me if I wanted to go, and I was like yes. And then I found myself in her house. Then another friend came, and we were just having the time of our lives.
Walking and walking and walking till we reach our final destination. Okay. We're still going to walk. Oh.
Okay, is your house that far like
It's
that?
like down, down. Actually, of course, we have before. Just like
I
down,
came
down, down.
with
Car.
yeah now.
Same thing. You know my house. We
Yeah,
shot down, 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 down.
yeah.
Then we now turn again.
But
Don't you make? Big.
she does not want us to see her
Hi.
face.
Oh boy, I do. But never again about wearing cream outside. I'm
Oh
not
my
doing it
god.
again.
Why would you be wearing cream
Did I
outside in
know
this
that
hot
it's going
weather?
to be hot? Then I just like immediately I came outside, I just started. Hi.
Hi. Hey,
Did
this.
you remove it?
It's only God that will deliver you.
Amen.
It's remove it small small. He came to save them, Abi.
Uh,
He's what you are fighting. Small pikin.
He now figured out that there's still an airbender left. So he now figured out that it's the Avatar.
Yeah, no, it's according to the Avatar cycle. After the former airbender was from the Fire Nation, so definitely according to Avatar cycle, it's supposed to be air next. Air, water, earth, fire. Abi something like that, sha. Abi air, water, earth, fire.
No,
Abi
I think it's air fire. Cause
No.
they can't want to kill. No, yes. I think okay. No wonder they killed air first, so that if they
Yeah,
kill
nah.
the air,
They
it will
will-
not be water. So they not kill all the water.
air.
So it will not be many. No, I think next will not be fire.
No, wait, calm down. The one before him was a firebender, so fire should be the last one in the cycle. So the one before fire, I think, was Kyoshi. So that's earth. So that's earth, fire, then water. What am I saying like this?
Do you think I know?
What am I saying like this?
Our new videographer.
God, I beg you for this game. They said don't show the zoom in.
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be showing only this hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, showing.
Okay.
Just okay. Don't worry. So what we be like a day in my life. I went to my friend's house. I was painting her nails. We ate. We watched this crazy movie.
Yeah, see Commander Zhao.
Zara, do you know the names of these people?
No,
She was not watching movie. She don't know anybody.
you just said person with bald head and white
White forehead.
Commander Zhao. This is one I was telling you that was obsessed with Airbender when he fused
Yeah.
with the moon spirit.
Okay, this one now is it the earth?
This is
one.
Saka. He likes
Saka.
The earth.
this one.
Then he not like another guy.
You not like that other one in
I like
the
that
water
other
Yue, the daughter of the king of
that
the...
she was helping him in the
Wait,
forest.
calm
That
down,
one
calm
had
down, calm
died.
down. Have you watched this movie?
No, I'm
You say you have
not.
not.
She hasn't watched it.
It's
but
the
she has watched
animated
the
version that I'm
version.
using to relate to this.
Okay. Now you know.
Did you? I didn't watch it.
I didn't watch the animated one. Let me know.
That one is fine, but then you will know that this one and that one has a bit of a different storyline, but then everything shall connect to each other. I think Kitara will later be teaching water bending. Then you will now learn from Master Paco.
No,
Who be
they
that
didn't show that one in that.
Oh, who be Buster Paco?
No, maybe these people never reached
They
there.
didn't show it.
He did not now cut the wood.
At least no, she's happy because of at least she can.
She has improved before the water will just be coming up like this. It will not go back there. I don't have space in that phone. I don't know what you are doing. Cut it, let me see.
Hey. Zara, why are you looking so dark?
What's wrong with me?
I don't know.
You know I'm going to post this.
You're looking so white.
I'm looking white.
Bye.
Bye.
We eating. Yay.
You see, you come for it. But God bless him.
You are never serious with your life. Where is the university? No, I saw white blue stuff. Where? So, at the back of this red car.
I'm not the one in sun. You.
Oh my God, nobody said you message to be inside the zone. Carry your umbrella.
You hold it.
Hey, my head though.
Umbrella is one
Forget
heavy
that
for
you
me.
are short.
Wakajo.
Oh my God. What is this one? You know that video somebody does below.
Wait, cause Zara. Zara is spoiling this. Baby, I beg.
Hi.
Then I'll now show myself the back camera. Hi.
Are you videoing right now?
Yep.
Okay.
Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I'm not like you. Nonsense. This and people should be where I work. Zara know now to take it. So we're on our way to school. We're on our way to pick my brother from school. Oh my God! Look at Beverly.
I am
am the owner of the vlog, yo.
This one is the follow. But I am the new cameraman. So we're walking to my brother's school. By the way, you don't need to know my brother's school. Don't go and pick my brother from school. So Beverly is staying behind us because she's our new bodyguard. So
You miss the height requirement.
exactly. So we're going now, and like I did my braids yesterday. That is something that's big. So I did my braids yesterday. I like. Nelson Daniel. I was like, why is this one shouting?
I thought a car was coming or something.
Yeah. They play. My fans.
Who is this one?
You people should go to your house too. Wait, where am I? Where is?
I was so shocked.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Wait. What are we doing? My brother is it him, even though. So we're walking home and we're going to go home and do what? I take ice cream and popcorn. Oh my god, I need ice cream.
God, I'll take a. Zara, come on for road. Say hi.
James Brown, shut up.
So there's this mysterious guy that they still refuse to tell us about,
His name is Bolagi.
and now he's going to be stalking Zara in school. Zara, say hi. He has problem as far as I'm concerned. Jesus.
Yeah. So this is whoever loses. Partner for your
Jesus.
You can't remove your glasses. Yeah. Wait. 1.
No.
Yeah. Wait.
Jesus. Hey, I hope that has not been shown. Should I stand?
No wait.
I should get the song. I should sing.
You should sing it.
Animals when you human form. The animals when you human form. The animals when that human form. We were also with the water. Oh, I don't do something.
They want to pop out down my face by 5 by 4. Can you imagine? Better just change it. Wait till me this. I just got my bra. How do I look like?
MSAG. You're only J yourself. How far you?
Thank God.
Hey. Hey. Now. Do you know this one is simple because just
I've gotten it. Forget.
Oh my face is white too. Jesus.
In the bad man joke to the car.
Oh, Jesus. Now, I'm gonna miss them. Oh my god.
I'm going to miss you.
You're spoiling the memorable part. I look at this big.
He's not needed as a memory. It's a new.
So bye.
Bye.